Greetings, road warriors. Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today, we are showcasing a coach that many consider the peak of the luxury diesel market. This is the 2013 Tiffin Phaeton 36GH. For those who want the prestige of a Tiffin flagship, but in a size that is incredibly easy to manage, this 36-foot Phaeton is the absolute sweet spot. It features only 68,000 miles and comes in the 36GH floor plan, which is famous for its massive interior volume despite its shorter overall length. Take a look at the exterior finish. This coach is wrapped in Tiffin's Sunlit Sand full-body paint package. Unlike entry-level units with vinyl stickers, Tiffin uses a multi-stage automotive-grade paint process that holds its luster for decades. You can see the depth in the beige, gold, and bronze tones. It reflects the quality you expect from a brand that has been family-owned and operated for generations. This Phaeton features 4 full-size slide-outs. When you get these deployed, the interior transforms into a sprawling residential oasis. Now here is a huge value add from us here at Porter's. We have installed brand new tires all the way around this motorhome. You are starting your journey on fresh rubber, which is a massive maintenance item you can cross off your list. For outdoor living, you have the full works: a power patio awning, a power door awning, and a complete window awning package to keep the interior cool. You also have protective slide toppers over every single slide out. Throughout this walk around, notice the polished aluminum wheels and the overall condition of the fiberglass caps. From the frameless windows to the side view cameras integrated into the mirrors, every detail indicates a coach that was the pride of ownership for the previous owner. We're going to continue our walk around the rear to check out the 10,000-pound trailer hitch before we dive into the basement to look at the massive mechanical systems that make this Phaeton such a legendary performer on the road. Let's move down to the foundation, because the Phaeton is built on the heavy-duty Freightliner chassis. Since this is a rear-engine diesel, you benefit from full air ride suspension and full air brakes. It delivers that signature Tiffin ride, where the coach feels steady and planted, regardless of the road conditions. Powering your journey is the muscular Cummins diesel engine. It produces 380 horsepower, and a staggering 1,050 foot-pounds of torque. This is paired with the heavy-duty Allison 3000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission. This combination is highly respected in the industry for being an absolute powerhouse, capable of pulling heavy loads over mountain passes with ease. Moving into the storage bays, we have massive pass-through basement compartments. Because the engine is in the rear, you have all this extra open space for your chairs, grills, and gear. This unit even includes a slide-out storage tray, which makes it effortless to access your heavy items from either side. For your off-grid power, we have an Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator. It has only 580 hours of use, which means it's barely broken in. This unit provides more than enough power to run your dual-roof ACs and all your interior appliances while you're dry camping. You'll also find a 50-amp service, a Magnum inverter charger, and a battery disconnect to manage your power efficiently. Setup at the campground is a breeze, thanks to the fully automatic hydraulic leveling jacks. Just hit the touchpad and the coach levels itself perfectly. To keep you safe on the highway, the integrated camera system with both rear view and side view monitors gives you total visibility. Every system on this Phaeton, from the dual-roof ACs with heat pumps to the heavy-duty cooling system, is designed to provide a top-tier travel experience with maximum reliability. Let's head inside and see how Tiffin's legendary luxury continues in the cabin. Step up into the Phaeton and you are immediately greeted by a wide-open, residential-style interior. The 36GH floor plan is a masterpiece of design, managing to feel much larger than 36 feet. you'll notice the high-quality materials immediately. From the polished flooring to the rich, solid wood cabinetry that Tiffin is famous for. Tiffin builds their own cabinets in-house, and that level of craftsmanship is visible in every corner of this coach. It's a bright, airy space, with high ceilings and premium lighting that makes it feel like a custom home. It is a welcoming entrance that sets the stage for a coach that truly has it all. Right here in the galley is your large stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer. It offers an incredible amount of cold storage, so you can stock up for those long cross-country trips without ever worrying about running out of space for your groceries. In the main living area, we have a very functional table dinette that is perfect for meals or as a workstation. Directly adjacent is the entertainment center, which features a large 40-inch TV and an electric fireplace. The fireplace adds a cozy ambiance to the room and provides a great source of electric heat on those cool mornings. The cockpit is a high-end command center with plush captain's chairs that provide a commanding view of the road. These seats swivel around to join the social area when you're parked. You have the electronic shifter for the Allison transmission, and all your controls within easy reach, making the drive just as enjoyable as the destination. For seating, we have a large, comfortable pull-out sleeper sofa. This provides a great spot to relax and watch a movie, and it easily transforms into a bed for your guests. Between this and the master bedroom, this Phaeton can comfortably sleep up to 4 people. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring solid surface countertops and an extendable section for even more prep space. You've got a gas stovetop, a microwave convection oven, and look at this, it comes with a dishwasher option. The residential sink and faucet make cleanup a breeze, and the cabinet storage is simply outstanding. Moving toward the rear, we find a very well-appointed middle bathroom area. It features a large shower enclosure with glass doors and a skylight that adds a lot of height and natural light. You have a solid surface vanity, a sink, and plenty of drawer storage for your toiletries. It's a clean, bright space with a high-end residential feel. Tiffin's attention to detail really shows in here, with quality fixtures and a power vent fan to keep the air moving. Having a bathroom of this size in a 36-foot coach is a major plus, as it doesn't feel cramped even on longer trips. Here is a fantastic layout feature. We have a second sink and vanity area. This is such a benefit for couples, as it allows 2 people to get ready at the same time without bumping into each other. It effectively gives you a dual sink functionality that you usually only see in much larger diesel pushers. Welcome to the Master Retreat. The 36GH features a comfortable queen-sized bed situated in its own slide-out, providing plenty of walk-around space. One detail I love is the ceiling fan, which keeps the air moving and the room comfortable on those warm nights. You have your own 32-inch TV back here, along with an abundance of drawer storage and a massive wardrobe closet. And for the ultimate in convenience, this coach comes equipped with a stackable washer and dryer. Unlike the combo units you see in some coaches, these are separate units that allow you to wash and dry at the same time, making laundry day a breeze while you're out enjoying your vacation. The bedroom is separated from the main living area by a door, providing a quiet and comfortable sanctuary. Large windows on both sides provide great cross ventilation, and the overall fit and finish back here, from the solid wood cabinetry to the premium lighting, really emphasizes that this is a Phaeton. Whether you're a weekend warrior or planning on extended travel, this master suite provides every luxury you could possibly ask for. It is a quiet, comfortable space that ensures you get a great night's rest, so you are refreshed and ready for the next day's drive. To recap, you are looking at a diesel pusher with only 68,000 miles. You're getting the massive power and torque of the Cummins engine on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis with brand new tires all the way around. With 4 slides, the Sunlit Sand full-body paint, the stackable washer and dryer, and the dishwasher, this coach is fully loaded and ready for its next owner. The fact that all of this is packed into a manageable 36-foot length makes it one of the best values on our lot. If you want to see this coach in person or have any specific questions, we'd love to hear from you. You can give us a call at 864-260-9276 or send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see more photos and the full specification sheet for this unit. Thank you so much for joining us for this tour at Porter's RV Sales. We take great pride in our inventory and love showing you these high-quality coaches. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming tours. We look forward to seeing you here in Williamston very soon. And as always, happy camping!